just our heart and our determination. You know, we've beaten a team 3 times in a row this season, and we sure as heck weren't going to be like losing to a team 3 times in a season. So we made sure that that happened today. You know, all of us that came in, we did our jobs and we executed and we played great. I mean, X's and O's, yeah, they helped, but it was more of just our heart and drive today.
For me, like you asked about X's and O's, it's like a thing of beauty when you don't have to tell them what to run because they just move the ball and find the open guy. And I don't think we particularly played well yesterday offensively, but we had to play well to beat Dayton today. And I thought the amount of great cuts and great screens and great drives and big shots that we had to make, you know, it's really fun as a coach to see our team go from day one to today. So we're not done yet, as Bree said. You know, we believed we could be here, and our team is really locked in, and we're looking forward to a chance to win a championship tomorrow.